I learned from a friend a long time ago that it's much less labor intensive to leave your root vegetables in the ground even throughout the winter. And it's worked quite well, because if you're going to take them in, you're either going to put them in a root cellar, and if you don't have a root cellar, you're probably going to bottle them or freeze them, or if you're going to freeze them, why not leave them outside anyway? So I just came out, put the fork in the ground, dug up a little spot, and got a few potatoes just to have for a meal today. And the rest will stay in the ground until we need them. I just did the same with some beets as well the other day. And I did have to harvest the carrots because we had a critter, I think it was a squirrel, that found the carrots and was enjoying them more than us. So yeah, just a little tip. Even if you're in a winter climate, you can leave your root vegetables in the ground if you don't have sufficient storage, or you don't want to spend so much labor in harvesting all at once and bottling or freezing. Just leave them in, go out when you want, and pull them up. The other benefit I've found with doing this is the ones left in the ground, many of the root vegetables are biennial and perennial. So any potatoes left in the ground will grow new potatoes next year. And any beets or carrots, they will bolt next year and give you seed. So leaving them in the ground isn't such a bad thing, and you can have a lot of seed for next year. That's it, just a little video on a tip to make it a lot easier during harvest. Now go and enjoy my potatoes.